which showcases all the courses you have access to. You click on any particular course and you see 57 minutes, 22 minutes of, you know, course content, detailed explanation of every step, easy to use for you. Okay, you click on the video and
Yoga, I
play.
don't know, life coaching. It's okay. Take affiliate marketing and run with it.
Everything is explained here, all types of possible mechanisms for you to brand yourself, position yourself. All the PDF files are given, which you can download and store for later reference. Okay, what are the areas that you can, share information with people and reach out to them? Every niche, every area and concept is being covered over here. You complete these courses, then you go back, pick another course. Okay, so let's say you went back to this course. Okay, you will be able to see what this course has. So many detailed content area. All you have to do is click on those videos.
So my pre-programmed
Okay, so you will be able to.
emails start moving forward.
Okay, so you will be able to play those videos, and you will see people commenting, learning. Okay, and so sharing their learnings. There are so many more content pieces, easily structured. These contain a lot of templates for you to go and do. Okay, this has the detailed course creation mastery, how to set up your home office, how to create every course, how to do video production, what tools to use in a simplistic, essential, minimalistic way, how to create your impactful video courses, how to edit your videos. There's a master
I
class on how
wanted
to.
to delete a small portion of this, okay? An area which I thought was not right, okay?
Okay, so you will see every editing technique that you would need for building your course creation. All right, and then of course once your courses are created, you can do a lot of lead generation. There is a free lead generation tool available here. It's 10 days of repetitive, but a lot of content there for you to be able to start getting hundreds of leads on organic. Okay, so you have everything about how to create your Facebook group, how to publish your story, transformational story. Okay,
So that's pretty much what it is. Posting permissions, anyone can post.
all the permissions, the settings that you want, how to join relevant groups, how to write your powerful articles that will reach out to the right audience that you need. Okay, how to create your selfie video, how to do Facebook live effectively. So you will learn all these techniques and methods to be able to attract target audience for your skill and positioning. Okay, and then there's of course the hours and hours of content. If you see lot of powerful upgrades in value, week on week this content will add up. Okay, so you see 75 minutes, 83 minutes, 81 minutes, 77 minutes. Okay, how to do automation, how to become independent, resourceful, a results program. Okay, how to become unstoppable in your business, the complete roadmap to success. Okay, interviews and stuff. So hours and hours of content. If you see, if you add these up, there's so much content that I'm giving that it is worth far more than the price you would ever end up paying. At least 10x, I can say and vouch for it.